What's up? It's Hailey Bieber, and today I'm gonna be talking to you guys about the Strength and Length Brow Gel. Brows are important. I love brow gel. It is something that I use in my everyday routine, even if I'm not wearing makeup. This brow gel comes in 4 different shades. I'm going to start with the shade Coffee. It's a really nice buildable formula with mineral pigments, and it adds a super natural looking color and definition to the brows. And I'm also gonna go over it with the Clear. A clear brow gel is an absolute must in everyone's makeup bag. And this is gonna help get you fuller, healthier looking eyebrows. What I love about this brow gel is that it's a clean, vegan brow gel with fortifying plant-based serum. You will see 100% fuller brows in 8 weeks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bare Minerals, the power of good.